Eat normal
Nuts. Nuts.
Launch.
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 lunch instead of lunch.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh,
What
plate,
can you
plate, plate,
serve?
plate, plate, plate.
Tennis ball. Tennis ball.
Plate. Or
No.
A
Ball.
cock.
You
A cock. A cock.
Tennis ball.
Harshit knows
Oh.
the answers.
Sir, is it same, sir? The cock and the tennis ball because we serve
Looks
it.
like. Yeah.
but
The- in
even
the
plate
badminton
also.
cock.
Plate can be served but never eaten.
Oh, I think we get a point for that.
Yeah. And you don't
Yeah.
tell the
Vivek is
answer.
not answering at all.
What is a
Vivek
lemonade?
is not speaking at all.
What is a lemonade? Wait, let me think.
Not a lemonade.
Don't tell Harshit.
It's lemon and aid.
What?
Lemon and aid. I don't know what aid is.
Wait, let me think. Don't tell the answer.
Ooh.
Alright.
Puzzle. I guess puzzle.
I think the
What
lemon.
person?
Puzzle. It's a puzzle, sir.
Lemon. Vidya gave me the idea. Yay.
Hey. Harshu, where is Vivek?
Vivek is right there. I'll show you.
On him.
Can't
Yeah.
see screen.
Vivek, show the next screen. Over,
Can't. He's telling the answer so easily.
Everyone unmute yourself because
I'm going to disconnect my audio, okay, for this.
yeah, very good. Don't even chat. When you help an old lemon cross the road. Wow. Okay.
What is blue, yellow, green, brown, and gray?
Colors. Obviously colors. Burgle. Box of
crayons.
what?
They can
Wait.
be more colors too.
Sketches also will be there then. No problem.
Sketches, color pencils.
Whatever he says, it is the answer.
Yeah,
It's correct.
Everything he tore apart and now again you hit him.
but
What can you serve but never cure?
No.
that's the same.
Done.
No. An elephant remembers everything, but what animal always forgets? Popat. What is it? Elephant also came in the example. What should we say? Elephant only. Anta.
I don't know, it's an elephant word.
What? Ant always remembers what it forgets. Wait, let me think. Popat. Wait, let me think. A
Always
table.
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 Chimpanzee.
Table is a non-living thing.
Yeah.
What's the answer?
I don't know.
Give up?
I give up.
Yup.
Yeah, I give up. We give up.
What is the answer?
And
What?
also because it
Who?
Hoot, hoot.
Oh my god.
Hoot.
Wow. Who toot?
Boy was bathing. After bathing, what else is dirtier?
His
The
mind.
clothes.
No,
Clothes.
his mind only.
His clothes are dirty.
No, the bathroom is dirty.
Oh yeah.
What about the
Clothes.
clothes? He's wearing
Any
dirty
clothes?
clothes. He removes the clothes.
The floor of the bathroom is dirty.
Bathroom is only
The
dirty.
clothes
The
we
soap.
wore before.
The soap is dirty.
The towel is
Give up?
dirty.
Tub.
Towel.
Yeah, give up.
Bathtub and the footprints.
Yeah, I told you right. Who sits in the
Bathtub.
bathtub in India?
And who uses a bathtub in India? Except some people.
Thank you. Very nice.
Yeah. No one
Yeah,
could
very
answer
nice
only.
and
No one could answer. Only one half someone answered.
Okay. So our son Naira is actually, I think, traveling to Jagdalpur, I guess. So she's not coming in.
Oh.
okay. But
Where is she traveling, sir?
she's going
Jagdalpur.
to Jagdalpur, where her dad's That's business is. It's a very
Is it
beautiful place.
Jagdal? Is it Jadalpur or Jagdalpur? Means like the Jagdalpur is in Chhattisgarh and the Jadalpur is in Madhya Pradesh.
Jagdalpur,
Where is it? In which state? Chhattisgarh.
Chhattisgarh.
Okay.
It's pretty close to the Andhra border.
Oh,
Okay. Really?
Yeah. So who's next now?
Harshit.
Harshit, what are you
Says he
doing?
wants to go for fourth.
Fourth. Akarsha.
You all, four of you. Okay.
Akarsha.
Akarsha wanted to do some music, right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. She's not speaking.
She's on mute.
Oh, she's
Akarsha?
gone.
She's not there only.
She's gone.
No problem. Let's
Maybe
start
wait
with
for her.
someone.
She got. Okay, can I?
Yeah, Pidya, go ahead. Thank you, Vivek. Good ones.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so today I'm going to give the review on a movie which is called Live, Die and Repeat. Directed by Doug Liman, who is also the director of The Bourne Identity. I think you all saw it.
Right.
Okay, so this is the cast. Tom Cruise as Major William Cage, Emily Blunt as Sergeant Rita Vertasky. She's the angel of Redden. We'll see about that. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the plot. Major William Cage, Tom Cruise, and a special forces soldier, Rita Vertasky. She's her real name is Emily Blunt. They both team up to fight a hostile alien race, with Cage constantly returning to a fatal battle through a time loop. So it's like this. Tom Cruise is demoted to a private from a major as he refuses to take part in the first wave of the war. Humans are fighting a war against the aliens, which have come to invade Earth. So he is forcibly taken into war by his sergeant. And a jacket-like thing which is made of metal, and it gives 10 times more power than a normal human being has. So in the war, he accidentally ends up killing an alpha, which is a rare alien, and he absorbs some of its blood. So after absorbing some of its the alpha's blood, he has the ability to control time. So when he dies, he goes back to the point when he gets to know that he is demoted. So it's basically like Minecraft. When you die, you respawn again, right?
My God. Real good.
Yeah, it's like this. He respawns again. So Special Forces soldier Rita Vertasky, it also the same thing happened to her, and that's how she, in a place called Verdun, and she killed thousands of aliens which are called mimics. The aliens are called mimics, and she killed hundreds and thousands of them. That's how she got to be known. She was got to be known as Angel of Verdun. So Rita Vertasky, this Major William Cage goes and tells this to Rita Vertasky, and they have to destroy the mother of all the aliens, which has the ability to control time, the Omega. So Cage dies, respawns, dies, and it's many times, more than 300 times. Okay, so I'm going to show you the trailer. Now I'm going to show you the trailer. Can you hear the sound?
Yeah.
Story. I'm gonna tell you a story. At first, it's gonna sound ridiculous. But the longer I talk,
We have to find the keys.
the more rational it's going to appear.
I can't believe you found coffee.
Sugar, right?
Here.
Hold on. 3. You like 3.
How many times have we been here? How many times?
For me, it's been an eternity.
Can you see it? You can see it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, these jackets are very powerful. He just died and he woke up at the place. Did you see that? Hello? Hello?
It's
Excuse me,
paused.
sir.
It's paused, Vidya.
Yes, I paused it. Yeah, he just died and he woke up, right?
Yeah.
That's how he is waking up, dying and living.
This is not the end.
The invasion will fail. We lose everything.
This is not the
I die within 5 minutes of landing on that beach, along with every other soldier.
How did you do that? Come on! Come find me when you wake up!
You do know what's happening to me.
What happened to you happened to me. You hijacked their power.
How do I control it?
You have to die. Every day. Keep coming here and I'll train you. Again. Your leg's broken.
No, I'm good.
Then you better start over.
Oh, come on. I'm not a soldier.
Of course you're not. You're a weapon. They want to conquer the rest of the world. Unless you change the outcome.
We are not equipped for what's out there.
How many times have we been here? What are you not telling me?
It's gonna be dark in a few hours.
I'll curl up by the fire and open a bottle of wine. We should just reset.
Whoa!
Okay, so that was the trailer, and the movie's words also have a meaning in it. Live, die, and repeat. He's gonna live, die, and he's gonna repeat it again.
Wow.
That's interesting. So, is it available on Amazon?
Yeah, it's available on Amazon Prime, sir, and there's not too much violence in it, and it's not at all scary, and it's suitable for all age groups. I mean, like, I
So if
hate
you
horror movies, I'm scared too, but I watched it
I
and
know.
it's not scary.
Yeah. If you are recommending, then I think everyone can see.
It's
That's
available
cool.
on Amazon Prime, and I suggest you to watch that movie. It's really good.
Me and Chaitanya will watch it along with
Okay.
Kusum tonight.
Ashi came.
Yeah, sir. I called her and she's like, I forgot I thought it was at 6 o'clock.
Yes,
Mm.
sir. Sir,
Okay.
actually I switched off the internet of my phone, so I didn't get the messages.
No problem. Good one, Vijay. We're going to
Asha
watch
is
it.
not doing anything.
No.
Yeah, I think she's not doing anything. Ashi, you're doing something?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's go ahead.
And I hope you like my presentation on my.
It
was
on
very
the
good.
identity.
It was very good, Vidya.
Thank you.
Sir, I'm sharing my screen.
What is your topic?
Riddles.
Yes,
Same as
let's
Vivek's.
try
Some riddles, some
to make
questions should be same
at
as
least 1
Vivek.
point. No,
Riddles,
not at all.
Let's crack
all the
it.
best. Thank you.
IIT
Are there any
Delhi.
points?
Ready,
Ready,
set, go.
set, go. Yeah, we're ready.
So let's see the rules first.
Hmm.
Everyone will get 1 to
Okay.
2 minutes to answer. No will get extra point. If you answer the easy questions, you'll get 1 point. If you answer the medium, you'll get 2, and if you answer the hard, you'll get 3.
Wow.
How should we know which is easy,
No,
which is hard?
I
she's already
mentioned.
categorized it.
Okay.
Ashi
Yes.
has to keep the record of the points
Yeah.
because we don't know
This is
what's
the easy
medium
one.
and hard.
Okay.
I come twice in a week.
I come twice
Letter
in a
E.
week, never. Yeah.
Wait. What
Letter
is it? I come
E.
twice in a week, never in a month.
Letter E.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Yeah, Akarsha got 1 point.
Easy.
Oh.
Twice a month. Okay.
What 4-letter word can be written forward and backward and can still be repeated?
What letter word?
Wait.
Forward and backward. And still can be the same.
Wait, let me think.
తాత కోసమే నీకు అడుగుతుంటే నువ్వు సగం జవాబు ఇస్తావు సగం నీకు అర్థం కాదు
Afternoon. Sorry, noon.
Yeah, correct, Chaitanya.
Oh no.
Afternoon. First I thought afternoon.
ఆయనమ్మ అడుగుతున్నది
Chaitanya also got 1 point.
Yeah. Arey yaar, who is this?
What goes up and down but doesn't
Who
move?
is speaking so much?
Age, your age.
Elevator.
Why does it go down? Right? It doesn't go down.
Age.
Doesn't move.
Okay, does it go down?
It goes up and down. Age doesn't go down.
Elevator.
No, it moves. No, but elevator.
Age.
What goes up?
No, age. How does it go down?
Age can't go down, can it?
How can growth also go down?
ఏయ్, సరిగా తిను.
What is Vivek shouting there?
I don't know. Wait. Staircase.
Correct.
Oh.
Steps.
Vivek was close.
Wow. Who was
Very
it?
close, Vivek. Good.
Akarsha.
Wow. That's cool. Yeah, she's got a staircase at
You
home.
googled it? No, right? Oh yeah, you did.
Akarsha has 2. Chaitanya has 1.
Fine. No problem.
Come on,
What
Arshu.
can you hold in your left hand but not in your right hand?
My pencil.
No.
Your left hand. No, wait. What can you hold
Is
in
it
your left hand?
prasadam
but
or
not-
something like that?
Prasadam.
Prasadam you shouldn't hold it in our
That's a good one.
No.
It's a good one.
It was
Prasadam.
very funny.
We can hold, but we don't.
Arey yaar. My elbow, bro. My elbow.
Very close.
Your right elbow?
Right elbow.
Yeah.
Arey yaar. Right elbow.
Right elbow.
I said
Right
together.
elbow.
I said together. Right elbow.
You said only elbow
We can't
first.
Yeah. Chaitanya,
Sorry,
you
what's
said
the-
it.
wrist.
What's the answer?
Right
Right
elbow.
elbow.
Yes, sir.
Right elbow.
We can't hold it with
Wait,
our
you
right
can
hand.
catch your right elbow with your left hand.
I'm saying right hand, no, but you can't catch with your right hand.
It's very tricky.
Ashi. Ashi.
Yeah, Vidya.
It is also a wrist. We can't hold it with our right hand. See,
Yeah.
I'm not able to reach it.
Yeah. It's also Videsh.
Showing it.
Creative point. Vidya got creative point.
Yeah. I'm giving Vidya also 1 point because that is also right.
Creativity.
This is the medium one.
Medium. Oh, wow.
That is 2 points.
This was the easy one. It seems like the hard ones.
Wait.
What kind of music does
Mummies.
mummies listen to?
What?
What kind of music do mummies?
Haunting
No.
melodies?
No.
Do mummies.
Haunting
Yeah.
mummies.
Like the one you get in Egypt.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lullabies. Lullabies.
Sarcophagus? I don't think that's music though.
Coffin music.
No.
Give us some clue. Ashi.
It is in the picture
Oh,
only,
wait,
sir.
wait.
The picture which I kept here. Yeah, correct.
Rap, like
Christian.
rap music and rap.
Rap.
Rap music.
Rap.
Oh, rap.
Funny.
Wow.
Wow, that's not real.
Akash got 2 points.
Okay.
She had 3 points. Now she answered this also.
This is the medium, so she'll get 2 points.
2.
I'm not saying in total.
Beggar brother died, but the mind. A beggar's
No
brother
brother. How
died.
could that be a?
But the man who died had no brother.
Yeah.
Ah, that could be another man, na?
Yeah.
Sister, beggar was a sister. Beggar was a
Yeah.
woman.
Yes, sir. Beggar was a
I
sister.
got 2 points. Yes.
Yes.
Beggar was a woman.
Kind of hilarious.
Good.
Oh,
Big on Saturday and Sunday, small on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm not on Monday or Friday. What am I?
what?
What is
I
IDK?
gave the clue also. This emoji is thinking IDK. I don't know.
What is IDK? What is
Oh,
the full form?
No, D is in every day.
Yeah.
Monday, Tuesday,
Oh,
Wednesday.
Oh.
Saturday.
Oh my God.
How is O big on Saturday and Sunday?
It's not.
Okay,
Friday.
wait.
Friday. Okay, I'm not Monday and Friday only. Arre, what
The
is
clue
this?
is here only. This picture
Monday.
only has the
Arre,
clue.
Monday is only. Okay,
Is
Monday.
it?
What is this? Monday is
this
not the case.
Weekend and weekday, like.
No, not like that.
Wednesday.
Hey, wait. Let's focus. Come on.
Focus.
Don't Google.
I'm big on Saturday and Sunday, small on Tuesday, Wednesday.
People should not Google.
This is also funny. We should use our common sense.
Arre, how?
Yeah.
This sense is not having common sense only. How can we use?
That's rage quitting.
Ah.
OMG.
Oh, one. The beggar. What?
Wait,
Too
it
hard.
went to the next one. Yeah.
Oh, don't. Wait,
Come
I'm
on.
big on Saturday and Sunday.
1 minute left.
Monday.
Letter. Is it related to letters?
Yep.
Arre,
Then it might be S. S.
Yeah,
S.
correct.
It's S.
Because it's
Akash
S.
and Harshit will get
Akarsha,
point.
are you doing Google?
No, nothing.
I don't know.
Well, I said after Akash.
See, look at that. S is
That's
a
okay.
big
Yeah,
on
like
Saturday
S.
and Sunday.
There's a big S.
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh, but she wrote small s. She only is wrong.
Where?
Okay, 2 fathers and 2 sons in the car. Yet there are only 3 people in the car.
This is very easy.
Because that another guy is in the mother's stomach.
No.
This is a very bad game.
Ashi.
Where is mother mentioned? Yeah, Vidya.
2 fathers and 2 sons.
Grandfather, a father, and a son.
Wait, Vidya, what did you
One
say?
son died.
Are grandson, father, grandfather.
A father
Yes, sir.
and a son.
Oh my.
Yeah,
The
and Vivek.
grandfather's son is the father.
Grandfather, father,
Yes.
son.
Other is the
Vivek and I
son.
got it.
Oh,
Vivek and I
that's
got it.
funny.
Then even Vidya.
I got it.
Vidya, yeah,
I
even
didn't get
Vidya.
Yeah, Vivek, Vidya, and
I got it.
I got it.
Oh, wow.
Now
This
this is
is
the
the
hard
hard
one. This is tricky.
What is 1 plus 5?
I know. It can't be 6.
No.
5, 15.
Is that
This
I
Akash-
or 1? I or 1?
It is 1 plus 5.
I5. Sci-5.
No. Where did I write I? It's 1.
I don't know. I just guessed it.
1 5 50.
No.
I'm also thinking that only.
156.
No.
What?
156 seconds వచ్చింది.
Who will do this correct? They'll get 3 points.
3 points, yeah.
OMG, 3 points.
3 points. You get
A
3
number.
points.
The
1
answer is
plus
a number
5.
only.
Oh, it can't be 6.
This is really hard.
51.
No.
Oh, wait.
Maybe it's
Arre.
1 plus 5. 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5.
Eh?
No, it's not like that.
Because it can be
So give us
1,
the clue.
comma, plus 5 as a statement.
The clue is the answer is a number only.
Okay. If it's a
What?
number, then which
Oh my
number?
god.
Number, you need to guess which number it is.
1, 2, maybe
No.
12.
No.
4.
If you guess like that, you won't get.
12 also is not.
I think it's 6.
1 minute left.
What is this?
I'm keeping timer also.
अरे वाह super राशि यार तो.
Great.
5 or 1?
No.
4. 6 minus 5, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 2.
No. What logic are you
What
using,
is that?
Ananya?
Is it AE?
No. The answer is a number only.
12.
Number only.
12.
We give up.
12.
Okay.
Okay, give up.
Word number.
45.
How?
Look.
Oh my God.
This is 1, this is plus, this is 5.
Really? Oh my God. That's creative, I should say.
Rashi.
Yeah.
1 plus 1, I would say window.
1 plus 1 is a...
Wait. If 11
All
people.
math
Plus
it is
2
only.
equal to 1. What does 9 plus 5 equal to? Yeah, hard one I kept it max only.
If 11 people equals plus 2. 11 plus 2 equals what?
11 plus 2 equals 1. What does 9 plus 5 equals?
Oh.
Wait, is this supposed to be an actual math problem or...
Math problem only.
14.
No.
Mind-boggling.
1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2.
No.
3, 3, 3.
Wait. Chaitanya, you are very close. But you missed one term.
2x, 2y.
No, it's not algebra.
No wait. 11 plus 2.
Okay, so the 2 is the
2 p.m.,
number,
2
but
p.m., 2
there is
p.m.,
one
2 p.m., 2 p.m., 2 p.m.
very close, Chaitanya. Don't include PM and AM.
Then what?
Oh yeah, 11 plus 2 is
Yeah,
1.
correct. Harshit.
Arey!
Correct.
Yay!
Yeah,
2 o'clock. Harshit gets 3 points.
Wow. He got the answer. All right. Cool. Next one.
Okay. This is
Yeah.
also creative only.
Yeah, that. Are you fine? Ria told no, I'm not.
Though she was not sick, but
She was not fine mentally.
no.
Ooh, but
It's very
I
silly
think she
the
was
answer.
joking. Like, he
No,
was
no.
very fine like that.
No, she
joking.
was lying.
No,
She was being mean to her friend.
no.
Creative. She's telling it's creative, right?
Yeah.
Hey, wait, this is very creative. I know.
Ah,
Are
no.
you fine? No. I know. Are you fine? No, I am not fine, miss. This, that no.
No, I'm not fine. I am Ria.
Yeah, sir, correct.
Yeah.
Sir, you get 3 points.
At last I got some point.
I don't get it.
She told
Are you
no
fine?
because
What is it?
The fine is
name
the
is
I
name.
am not, my name is not fine. My
Yeah.
name is Ria. Like that.
Yeah.
Hey,
Okay, I got it.
This is the last one.
what is 2 by 6 yogurt, 2 by 6 utility, and 1 by 4 Uber?
Uber.
Uber.
What is Uber?
Uber. Half car. Oh my god.
Because I think because you have to get into the into the cab to go home, right? With all this.
This is also creative.
Oh my god.
All of the hard are creative only. Not from Google.
2 by
I'm
6
not
of
gonna Google
yogurt.
it just cause I know. I mean,
Okay, I think the question
what is
done.
2 by like? What
You
is
need to
three-
find out. 2 by 6 yogurt, 2 by 7 utility, 3 by 4 Uber.
What is
So
this?
he's going climb into the
They're all the
go
same.
and
That's
go
what I
home,
told.
use the utility and eat the yogurt. Use the utility and eat the yogurt.
No.
Yo-
1 minute left.
Nice. Is there any maths in this?
No.
Hey,
What
any,
on math problem?
any other cab services apart from Uber?
No, sir.
Ola.
Cabs are not there. Don't
Ola,
think about
Ola.
cabs. No,
Ola.
Hola.
don't think the answer
My
is
name is
cabs.
Dora.
Okay, give us a clue then.
Please.
The clue is in the question only, sir. The answer
That's
is also
what
in
it-
the question.
Yeah,
If
every
you
time
add
you say
the
the same thing.
numerators, you'll get.
What? 7?
No, not like that.
No.
Use the numerator and the word. If you add them, you'll get the answer.
3 Uber.
7 Uber.
7 yogurt, 7%
No.
utility, and 7
No.
rupees Uber.
2 yogurt, 2 utility, 1. Is
Fine,
it
fine.
3
We give
Uber?
up. We give up. I
7
give up.
Give
Uber.
up?
Give up. Give up. Give up.
Yeah.
Okay.
So my
The answer is YouTube.
What? How? What?
So yogurt has 6 letters. So 2 is YO,
Uber.
UT, UBE.
Oh my god.
G.
Very, very good joke.
Affirmative, creative.
So
Wow.
creative.
Really creative.
Thank you. Hope you like
Good
my
one.
riddles. And now I'm going to say the scores.
I am the
Oh.
last person. I didn't even answer one. I answered
I-
at least half.
There is a tie between Sir and Akarsha. They both got
Oh.
7.
7. Oh, wow. Akarsha
Harshit
is
got
the
5.
queen.
Vidya got 3. Harshit. Vidya, you got 3. Vivek 2 and Chaitanya 1.
Excellent, Chaitanya.
Anna.
You are the first from bottom.
Yeah, last time.
Thank you. Hope you
Good one.
enjoy.
I'll
Yes,
keep
we did.
one nice topic
Good one.
next time that you will not even understand what I'm saying.
Okay. So next Sunday, let's decide now. Who wants to do what?
I am doing periodic table.
What is that?
Periodic table. Huh?
What periodic table? No, don't bring all that.
Please don't.
No, sir, I know that.
Like,
Hydrogen, helium, lithium. That
Chemistry
no,
poor
not-
people will be very crying babies when I start this chapter.
No,
Please
don't
don't
do
tell
that.
that.
rude now.
Please, Chaitanya, no chemistry.
No chemistry, no NASA and all.
So, can I tell you mine?
Yeah, Vidya, tell me.
I want to show you all. I want to give you all my house tour.
House tour.
Sure, that's a good one.
Okay.
Wow, Vidya.
My house is only
Yes.
so big.
All my animals,
House tour
plants.
is.
Oh,
Yes.
animals.
I'm excited.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
plants.
When
Animals.
anybody
Okay,
says
then.
animals, I'm up for it.
That's a great topic. Akarsha, anything specific? Just think. You can change it later, but just commit to one. Anything easy. Don't put too much of time because I know all of you guys have got homework.
I don't know, sir, what to do.
Can I ask a riddle?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
A
Okay,
boy's dad was asking him to write something. What did the boy write?
Something.
Yeah, some.
You're really close.
He wrote something only. What will he write? He wrote that something, that word something.
Yep. The word something is correct.
Of course, I know those things.
all right. Now enough of riddles. Now, what Vivek? What will you do next week?
Fine. I'm enough. I'm doing Roblox.
Hey, no games and stuff like that.
You
Please.
already done that.
I did
Yeah.
only twice. Harshit did thrice.
No games. No games. Sorry.
Then I'm not doing
Do it.
only.
Hey, do general knowledge, guys.
No, I hate general knowledge.
Sir, no one is doing book review nowadays.
Yeah.
I'm like,
people are-
Yeah, we're all busy with this art and things.
well,
yeah, book-
I'm reading a new riddle book actually, so that's what. I still didn't
Hey.
complete it though.
Okay, then you got
Okay,
a GK
shall I
anyway,
do
right?
general knowledge, sir? GK.
Yeah, GK, Akarsha, GK. Ashi, what do you want to do?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm thinking.
Okay, Chaitanya,
Nothing.
Harshu,
So what about Vivek?
Vivek.
Let's
Vivek, what do you want to do?
He doesn't know.
Bugs. Animals.
Animal.
Animals, okay.
He's not an animal lover. Don't believe him. He's deceitful.
I want to do dogs. Dogs.
Okay.
What about dogs, Shiv?
Oh,
What
I love dogs.
Same here.
What do you
love
want to do
animals
about
in
dogs, Vivek? What do you want to do about
Yeah,
dogs?
there's even a movie and a book called Dogs.
Like species of dog. And all those.
108
There are
Dalmatians.
breeds of
Yeah, breeds of dogs
Just-
and all those.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay,
I'll do
yeah.
Avengers quiz.
Avengers.
Avengers.
wait.
I
Oh,
thought to do
Avengers, I love
computer.
it.
I
love
thought to
that.
do computer shortcuts.
Huh? Computer shortcuts.
Sorry, keyboard
shortcuts.
shortcuts.
Keyboard shortcuts also good. That's fine. Okay, so I think we got it. Vidya will do a house tour. Harshit is going to do what?
I still didn't decide.
I want to
Yours.
do dogs.
Yeah, Vivek, you do
And
different breeds of
everyone,
dogs.
I have to tell you something. During my house tour, you all have a surprise.
Wow.
I want to see tiger.
Okay, you'll see everything,
want
but
to see
other
candy
than
and
tiger, there's
tiger
a really big
Okay.
surprise.
I
Arya, you
think
want to see the birds and the mammals? I mean, like, that's all you
I'm going to
get.
show you everything, okay? Each and every inch.
Inch.
Inch. You
Inch,
will see
inch.
ants also.
Centimeter.
all right. All right,
I
guys.
love ants
Great,
also. They're really cool.
great day. Good to see Vivek joining in this week. I think next week we'll have Naira.
Sir, what about Sridhar? We forgot about him.
He's
Who?
not a part of it. He's not a part of it. He just came to see.
Oh, Sridhar, sir.
Sridhar.
No, Sridhar is a part of this IoT, right? So he's busy programming.
He's busy questioning. He's not programming. He's questioning. Only.
Question.
In reality, he's doing that only. If you want to ask my dad.
That's okay. Leave it then. Yeah. Okay. Perfect, guys. I think next week let's meet at 4:30. And good to see we are wrapping up in close to 45 minutes for the first time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is good. So we had fun, right? I really had fun.
Yes, sir.
Really
Even
fun.
we saw.
Okay. Thank you. And Sairam, next